What is going on, guys? It's Justin from the J Media back with another video. So last few videos we've been talking about the S2000 and some of the plans we have for it. So yes, the S2000 is at the shop right now, Long's Automotive, getting a front end, the Voltex Racing front bumper put on pretty soon, getting the fenders fixed, the hood repainted, the whole front end is going to look fresh. Besides looking different, it's also going to drive different. So we ordered the Science of Speed 325 clutch kit, which actually just came in. So let's show you guys what we have here. So here's the box. Let's go ahead and rip it open and see what we have inside. Alright, so this is what I ordered here. The Science of Speed 325 Sport Clutch Kit. We also ordered separately the clutch release bearing, pilot bearing, pay a little extra for that. So yeah, if you guys are wondering the cost, there's a cost breakdown. $581 plus the $197 shipping and all that. So yeah, total paid about $801. Alright, so let's rip this thing open. First time opening this to see what we have in here as well. Leave some instructions. Pretty cool. Okay. Very nice. Love the packaging, pretty solid with all these nice foam. Ooh, this thing feels heavy and looks pretty nice. It's red in color. Very cool. And here is the instruction manual provided. I went with the 325 kit, and you can also go one step up, the 400 kit, but in my case I don't need something that aggressive. The 325 is more than enough. I believe it's good for about 325 horsepower. So yeah, we also got the optional clutch release bearing, pilot bearing, so pretty much everything here. Very detailed instructions. Very cool. And if you guys didn't know Science of Speed, they pretty much are NSX and S2000 specialists. I heard of them the first time because of the Science of Speed supercharger. Makes great power, and was recommended this clutch kit when I was looking to replace my clutch. So pretty excited to see how it drives. Alright, so let's go ahead and show you guys what we have here. Once we put it on the car, you won't be able to see it anymore. Here you have it. Nice and fresh. Let's go ahead and unbox this other bad boy right here. Pretty excited to see how this thing looks. Pretty heavy and firm. Ooh, very nice. Very nice. Again, this is gonna be underneath the car for the clutch, so not gonna be able to see it, but yeah. Really nice construction quality from Science of Speed. Alright, we have everything back in the box. Gonna leave it here because we're gonna be dropping it off tomorrow at the shop with the Voltex front bumper. If you guys didn't see the previous video, let me show you guys what I'm talking about. Alright, so Rallinspired is the parts delivery car. Let's go ahead and open this wagon up. So besides the clutch kit, we also have the Voltex Racing front bumper here. Gonna drop off both the bumper and the clutch kit tomorrow at the shop. There you go, nice and safe. So yeah, tomorrow we'll be taking the Rallinspired over to Long's shop right after work. Drop off these parts. They have already started on the S2000. I believe they were like fixing the fenders because we have bacon fenders up front. So yeah, they also haven't seen the Ralliart yet, only seen photos, but they haven't actually seen this car in person. So I'm pretty interested to see what their thoughts are on this car, which is quite an oddball. You don't typically see the Sportbacks, you don't typically see the Ralliart Sportbacks. Pretty hard to come by. Alright, so I'm just gonna end off the vlog here. I hope you guys like it. I know it's a short and simple video, but I'm really excited to go to the shop tomorrow to check on the progress of the S2000. Like I said, my guess is probably they were fixing the fenders, probably maybe have the hood and fenders all primed down, maybe the front bumper's off. So yeah, we should be able to get the car back later this week. So in about a week, car will be back. Pretty excited to see how it looks and drives. Again, if you guys are new to the channel, make sure to hit the subscribe and leave a thumbs up. Thank you so much, and we'll catch you guys in the next video.